until 8:30 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Nanjemoy Creek, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, La Plata, Port Tobacco River, Pope Street, St. Charles, Wicomico, Hughesville, Quasco, Bryantown, Pomfret, Port Tobacco Village, Deadsville, Port Tobacco, White Plains, Belle Alton, Newburgh, Northwood, Wellman, and Faulkner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 5 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mineral, moving northeast. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to 60 miles per hour. This could injure quarter-size hail, as well as damage homes and radar indicated. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Indicated. Unsecured light impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Orange and Spotsylvania counties, including the following locations: Mine Run, Brokenburg, Parker, Snell, Altown, Goldale, Gatewood, Thornhill, Logan, and Glenrock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The areas affected include portions of D.C., Maryland, Virginia, and Panhandle, West Virginia, including the following areas. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Georgia County in southern Maryland, southeastern Georgia, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Golden Beach, Oregon, 7 miles west of Howland Point, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland. Southeastern Virginia will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. In southern Maryland, until I know he was there. At 8:30 p.m., a storm capable of producing a tornado. Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those. Siding and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dunkirk, 55 p.m. Impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Storm Harbor, Quasco, Hughesville, Bryantown, Huntingtown, and Baden. Special report. I'm Peter King. Virginia has issued a special warning
Breaking news, we have a tornado warning for our area right now. Let's go live to Steve Prince Valley with an update. Steve?
Tornado warning northwestern Calvert County, southeastern Prince George's County, and northeastern Charles County until 9 p.m. tonight. So another 27 minutes or so. Storm right now near the Golden Beach area, about 7 miles west of Halloween Point, moving northeastward at 45 miles an hour. This is a radar-indicated rotation. So in other words, rotation within our radar data that we take a look at. This is not anything that's been spotted on the ground. However, still, you are in your basement. If you go to the basement, closet, bathroom, any interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows, get under something sturdy.
Important information will follow. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 9 o'clock.
Palestinian Journal. Clock. At 8:30, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Golden Beach, or 7 miles west of Halloween Point, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. This brings hazards of a tornado, a possible tornado, and quarter-size hail. It is a radar-indicated rotation. For those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous. To those caught without shelter, damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dunkirk around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted include Lower Marlboro, Eagle Harbor, Aquasco, Hughesville, Bryantown, Huntingtown, and Baden. Heavy rainfall may hide the tornado. Don't wait to hear the tornado. Take cover now. This dangerous storm will be near Dunkirk around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted include Lower Marlboro, Eagle Harbor, Aquasco, Hughesville, Bryantown, Huntingtown, and Baden. Heavy rainfall may hide the tornado. Take cover now.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, west central Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Golden Beach or near Halloween Point. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning. Source. Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Prince Frederick, Golden Beach, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Aquasco, Benedict, and Eagle Harbor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a statement from the National Weather Service and Eagle Harbor. Flood watch remains in effect. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
For meteorologists.
Once again, keep stacking them up. You get a WTOP while this is relaying, that's going to be free.
In Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern and Northern counties in central Maryland.
Sunday is much nicer. Sunshine, low to mid-80s. Memorial Day, your solemn holiday is mostly sunny. Your solemn holiday is mostly sunny. On Gaithersburg.
All right, Steve, brought to you by Dulles Glass. For all your glass, mirror,
Or
and
near
shower door
Chesapeake
needs,
Beach,
visit
moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Dulles Glass, love your
Hazard,
glass.
60
Coming
miles
up on
per hour with
WTOP.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Now
radar
starting
indicated.
over. In Lanham, I'm Liz
Impact,
Anderson.
damaging winds
8:52.
will cause some trees and large branches to
84
fall.
pounds.
84.
And I could not have done it without the help of the team at Endoscopic Wellness Center of America.
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Annapolis, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Prince Frederick, South River, Breezy Point, Road River, Parole, Dunkirk, Londontown, Edgewater, Riva, Huntingtown, Owings, Baden, Aquasco, Galesville, and Friendship. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We've learned there is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Calvert County, and Prince George's County.
The National